Okay.
By Imran.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are you facing this task 3? Any problem is there?
No, actually, he actually want a review of this particular task that he have done.
Okay. Okay. Unmute. Yes, I think it's okay. Is that okay, Ramana?
Imran, regarding this shipping address different from billing address, check it once again. You have to filter only the, I mean, you can use tree map over here. That and
Okay,
you have
ma'am.
to filter only yes condition, like whichever are actually having different billing and shipping address, only extract that one. Put a filter over it so that you will get the
Okay, ma'am.
order ID of it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tree map you can use for it. Tree map
Okay,
will
ma'am.
work. Okay. Rest of the things are all good.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ranganath, Ankit is your new team lead. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What the task that you have done, you can ask with him. I will
Okay,
share.
okay, ma'am. Actually, I have one small doubt in Power BI, ma'am.
Yes, Ranganath.
So, what's making changes in a Power Query editor? But the changes I have made is not appeared on Power BI, ma'am.
You may have
So, what's the
forgot
problem?
to click that close and apply. You have directly closed it, I
Yeah,
guess.
no. I have did the close and apply, man, but still the same problem is there.
In which case you are facing that issue?
Actually, I'm doing task one, ma'am. I have made some changes in the table using a Power Query editor.
Which task? Task 1. And in that,
I
which
did close and
data
apply.
set you are working with?
Task one.
Which data set? 3 data set
The
is
first
there.
one, ma'am, the order, ma'am. The
Order itself
toys
is
online.
having issue.
Yeah.
Okay. It won't happen like that.
Because I don't know whether there is any issue with the setting on my laptop.
You do one thing, go for that upgradation step 2. Like in
Okay.
upgradation, we have to mark that all checkbox and click OK. Now, after installation, we have done that thing. That thing you please follow. I going to that option and setting, there is option.
Okay.
Sorry. And there you can
Okay.
find preview features. While going to preview features, you can choose many options in the checkbox. Select
Okay.
them and click OK and try once again.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Okay.
Usually,
Okay.
whatever
Then
changes that you are making in Power Query, that will be reflected in Power BI by just clicking that close and apply.
okay. Ma'am. Okay. Then I will look at my settings, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. So, Ankit, are you okay? Shall we wind up the meeting?
Yes.
Okay. Nobody. We will wait for 2 minutes more if anybody else is going to join. Okay. Let's wait for some time
Okay.
because it is 12:39 only. Okay. So
Okay.
others may join after a few times. So let us wait for 2 minutes more. Okay.